So on the GE washer, model number GTW460ASJ9WW. Now, there seems to be an issue with this piece. To get that out, I saw a video where you line up a dimple within the assembly, and then there's a hole. You put a screwdriver through it and you turn it. That makes the agitator pop out. That didn't work for me, and the reason why it didn't work for me was this piece gets spinning. So everybody's video shows you hold here, you turn this clockwise with that screwdriver in, and it pops out. Because of this agitator, the lower assembly spinning, I couldn't get it. Then I saw a gentleman that put a video with this strap ratchet. Still, it wouldn't pop. So then I said, okay, I'm gonna tape. So I used Gorilla Tape. I actually put a little more. I took some of it. It's on the side. But I prevented that from spinning. Had my wife hold this base, and then I was able to break it loose. So basically, there on the base, okay, and that made it pop up. So if you look, there's a hole there. Then there's supposed to be a dimple somewhere. I think the dimple's actually on this assembly. Oh, there it is. So that little dimple, there you hold it, and then you can put the screwdriver through. There's a little hole past that, and you should be able to break it loose. Because that was spinning, I couldn't do it. So then I said, okay, it's probably the bolt, which is a 7/16. I tightened it, and it did one load, and then it stopped. It turns out that this assembly and I did try to put tape to fill it to make it spin. So this assembly on the inside, I'm not sure if you can see it that good there, is stripped. Here's the tape that I tried to use as a filler. All right. So got the new one, and that's what it's supposed to look like. Now, not quite sure if that metal is really strong enough to hold it, but this is a replacement part, which I just got. So I don't know if they improved it, but now it locks in. Part number, I believe, is WH43X34257. That's the new part number. So hope this video helps somebody else that's running into this issue. This washer's not even 2 years old, and I'm very upset. The previous one was like 10 years before I actually had to work on it. Have a good day.